All right, everyone. It's time for another update slash charging test for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So this is charge test number 3. This will be 15% to 100. And yeah, I think the watch is settling in quite nicely. This particular configuration got me just over 2 days of usage. So it just hit 15%. I just dropped it on the charger. And yeah, so the first configuration I used was everything on. So always on display on, raise to wake on, everything was on. And that got me about a day. The second configuration I used was always on display off, raise to wake off, and tap on. And that one got me about a day and a half. And now this particular one, we just use the power button to turn on the display. And other than that, the display only comes on when I get a notification. And this one got me about 2.5 days. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to let it charge up to 100. And I'm going to put the time that it took to get from 15% to 100 up in post. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick update slash charging test video. And I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. And quick note, man. The straps with the quick release buttons, definitely by far my favorite third-party straps. Video on this watch band coming soon. Hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. Hope everyone is having a great day out there. Hope everyone is staying safe. And I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.